So you finally bought that dream home and now all that's left is doing it up. You may have set your sights on those luxurious branded furniture pieces, but what really clinches the deal are those discounts and offers. So we went about exploring this discount phenomena to find out whether these sales really work.
You're just in time to start refurbishing your furniture range and change the look and feel of your home for a sparkling new festive season. A new sofa set for the guest room, a matching ottoman perhaps for the now empty corner, some unique artifacts to go with it, a brand new wooden floor even. And if all of this works out at half the price, well, that's the best Diwali gift for yourself. Many people are now making a steady movement towards high-end, ready-to-use furniture. The look and feel of these branded furnishings, spelled tempt in capital letters. But when that's not enough to make you dig into your wallet and zip out the cash, you will have these brands helping, almost compelling you to buy with tags that say 50% off. And no, you don't have to wait for the once-a-year sale period. Most brands will offer you a variety of discounts throughout the year with dates set aside for the heavy discount sales.
The footfalls, yes, they increase during the sale period or the offer period. In the last few years, since the recession has hit, the footfalls in totality has been very stagnant. But still, that I would say that still means that there is an increase in the market, because the number of players in the organized market have gone by fourfolds.
The Indian furniture market is mostly made up of unorganized carpenters, slowly but steadily being replaced by brands like Hometown, Evoke, Style Spa, Stanley, etc. So you walk in, select from a wide range of displayed furniture and furnishing, and you pay as you go. But are people really delaying their purchases or even advancing them to time them with discounts and offers?
Not really. I think when we need something, you want to buy it, and you want to buy it then and there. So you come out in the market and you see what is available, and I think this is a good time. This is a good time because there has been a bit of a recession, so prices are coming down. There's a bit of a competition in the market.
So deals are just a part of it's a regular routine. So we don't throw deals specifically because recession is coming. No, the sale trend hasn't changed. Yes, they may become careful that where is she spending her money.
So the well-heeled Indian is definitely buying from branded stores. The question is, how real are the discounts that these stores offer?
Generally, they do mark up the prices because here we pass on the entire benefit to the customer, and customer really gets a good benefit during the offer period.
Okay, so that's a red flag for sure. And if you're planning to delay your purchase for the discounted days, make sure you do your due diligence and check on pre-sale and on-sale prices.
Quality goes for a toss. So even if you get significant savings, but then you'll get something which is not durable enough, right? So I think sales in this country is still not something which is which really gives the value for money to the buyers. Really, I think that's something which is still missing in the country.
And Pat comes the reply.
Quality is certainly not an issue because the product is being manufactured with the same quality as it was done earlier.
So here's our take on this. Scan the market, decide exactly what you want, compare prices, look for durability, uniqueness and the appeal factor, and then ask yourself, do I really need this piece of furniture? Because rest assured, these babies come with a hefty price tag.
Nowadays, people are really opting for EMIs because that really makes that convenient. People do not want to block so much of money at once, and when they have a convenience of 0% EMIs.
People we know and people we met over the course of this shoot, none of them seem to be waiting for these discount periods to make their bigger homemaking purchases. Yes, of course, more players in the market means that you're spoilt for choice, but trust us, you're better off doing your due diligence and picking quality, picking value for money, picking looks over freebies. In New Delhi, Bianca Ghosh, NDTV Profit.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.